Okay, so just get started with the quick watch list review then. So today we're going to be watching a variety of stocks. There's some of the morning gappers here that have just jumped up, like MARA, up over 60% now in pre-market session on positive earnings news that came out on Thursday. We have six main stocks to watch: CERN, RIOT, ROKU, XNET, MARK, and MARA. Now, CERN, you can see it beginning to bucket up, just like we were talking about in the, just like we talk about in the for day trading strategies for beginners video. Talk about some very important levels that need to be, some very important structural moves that need to be done in order for us to qualify a stock into being tradable. Number one, there needs to be a spike, a parabolic spike of some sort. And then number two, a consolidation off of that spike. Consolidation off of this spike looks like it's going to be a bear flag pattern right now. But after drawing in some lines, some trend lines, we can see that there's likely a break and price beginning to bucket upwards after breaking and bouncing off of some very key levels, making it up on top of the volume weighted average price. Really nice bounce off of the volume weighted average price right here. And we want to see if that can turn into a move where price is now beginning to swing higher, threatening the yesterday's high of day at 71.43. I'll be looking for trend lines, ascending trend lines, and increasing buying volume in order to confirm these moves. I'll be looking for shorts under 69.80. That is CERN. The next one that we have here, also highlighted here on the nightly watch list at activetraders.chat members area, you'll see we have CERN, RIOT, XNET, MARK. So RIOT was the next one. Definitely a bit of a flag pattern there. As we can see it approaching the pre-market high on Wednesday night before Thursday's session, before Thursday's Turkey Day break. 1849 was the area that price was threatening. And in the pre-market today on RIOT, we actually overtook that area pretty violently as prices swung up and around, telling us that this stock is likely to be a mover today. Now we have an area of very importance below. We had the expansion and then consolidation into a range here that led to a breakout, another bull flag breakout, and then some more expansion to the upside with micro consolidations inside micro patterns. But this is really the bulk of volume deposited inside and around the $14 range. So we have an LVN, a very important blocked zone there at around 14.25. So 3 to 4 cent span on that zone. If price returns to that area, we're definitely looking for some kind of a reaction. Now the break of this bull flag pattern here signifies a move higher in my mind, as we see that there's consolidation happening now once again within the bull flag under the previous price of $18.49. What I'd want to see today is a bit of a push up above that price level at 18.49, a retest of that level, and an option to get long there. We can have a nice green to red to green move where we can get in long, looking for some higher targets up on RIOT. Alternatively, looking for a breakdown below 1750 in order to trade back down to $14.25, where we do expect that larger reaction. That is RIOT. Next one, Roku. Another really interesting trader. Roku's just been killing it non-stop every single day. This thing's been a runner. But once again, we see that same pattern that we look for. Spike up, initial spike up, and then buyers consolidating sideways here. Buyers and sellers consolidating sideways as buyers accumulate their positions into lower, bigger and more ascending trend lines, I should say, leading to a break of the high of day at $41, $41.09 to be exact. And in today's pre-market session, we see that price is already broken through that level. Already broken through that level, and it looks to be trading up and around 4109. Same thing here on Roku. I'll be looking for a break up above 1409. Retest of that level, confirming the importance of yesterday's high of day, or I should say Wednesday's high of day, and then the previous session's high of day, and then price heading upwards, giving us some consolidation patterns, maybe some breakout patterns, wedge formations, whatever it may be, to signify a break higher. Alternatively, one of the low points and one of the areas of consolidation, previous areas of consolidation that led to this break. The last clear one was at 38.15, so I would expect a reaction at that price point. And if I'm long, I wouldn't want to see price break and hold under $40. There you have it on Roku. I'm about to switch over to the members area live stream. If you are if you're interested in joining us, you can head over to activetraders.chat and sign up for the free trial, where you get access to all of our chat room and our learning materials, our webinars, our full day trading recordings, as well as the nightly recaps of the trades that we took in the day. And obviously our watch list analysis, it's also nightly. So XNet has been ripping as well. Made a lot of money here on Wednesday. Had a really fantastic trade up and around. No, sorry, that wasn't Wednesday. That was Tuesday. Really fantastic trade here in this consolidation. Played the breakout strategy there above $20. It had two entries, one at 20, one at 20.20, and then we saw price explode up and over the previous sessions, previous pre-market high, adding to the position there and really riding price up as far as possible. That was a fantastic trade. Was done trading, by 10:30 in the morning or so. Was it on Wednesday's session? We saw that buyers continued their buying action, putting in a nice bull flag pattern after a kind of a dangerous consolidation there. It was really spready, and then we saw price break out to the upside. Today, what we're looking for, given all of the pre-market action here, people are really chomping at the bit to continue trading XNet higher as Bitcoin, as the blockchain technologies, Ethereum, continue also breaking higher. It is just fueling, since people in the stock market can't buy Bitcoin, you can't buy a share of Bitcoin on the stock market. They're turning to companies that are affiliated in any way with blockchain technology. And so that's what we're seeing here, especially on RIOT or XNet. We are seeing the effects of the need to invest in blockchain technology and the fear of missing out. So I'll be looking for strong pullbacks where people are going to be bringing in some buying volume, likely previous high levels, or maybe around 24.50. Still have to wait to be seen, but hopefully XNet isn't so spready that we can't trade today. MARK, just about a minute here till I switch over. MARK also bucketing up towards a break of yesterday's high of day inside of a really ugly bucketed flag pattern, but flag nonetheless. We just had a break in the pre-market session, looking for the same setup as the other flags. And then obviously MARA with the big, massive 60% spike in the pre-market. We'll be watching that one for volatility and looking for consolidation areas, pick out expansions to get in. All right, guys, so good chat. Those are the stocks I'll be watching today, the hot stocks. I'll be posting this as well if you, as a video for anyone that missed it and didn't catch onto the live stream. Yeah, if you want to join, just head over to activetraders.chat. Very easy. And you want to just start a free trial, and we require no credit card at all. And we are also running our Black Friday 30% off on all of our plans. If you wanted to get a head start on that plan for the next 5 days, it's 30% off all of our plans. So heading over to start a free trial, you can just input your basic information there. The only thing we ask is for an SMS verification of your phone number, so that, and we're not going to call you, and we don't share your phone number or anything like that. It's just to keep people from abusing the free trial, since you don't need a credit card to sign up or any billing information. All right, fantastic. Thanks a lot for joining us on the Hot Stocks watch list here for Friday, and see you in the live room.